Hi, and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's meditation is going to be on spreading love, and this is going to be a guided meditation from beginning to end. So, there's not really going to be a quiet time because you're going to actively be moving in your mind and spirit along with everybody else who's listening to this. So, we're going to get started right away. As always, there's a prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We're going to go through the whole guided process. And at the end, when we pull back in, we close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's just get started. This one is a lot of fun and a real chance to experience the power of the way things feel after we share love. So let's close our eyes, take a deep breath, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and scan your body. And notice if there's any tightness or discomfort anywhere. And if there is, bring your attention to that spot and invite it to relax and let go. Notice how quickly your body responds to your mind's commands. Our mind is the builder. Our mind decides things for our body. Now let's take another deep breath and just blow it out and completely relax. And we begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Notice, as always, there is this beautiful divine light that comes into our head and out our feet. There is a column of endless energy that has all the abundance, all the needs, all the desires already in it. And all we need to do is absorb it because it is there from the divine for us. It is our will that blocks us from receiving everything that's already there for us. We're going to step inside of this beautiful beam that's running through our bodies. So bring your consciousness into this beam. Now, if you can't see it, imagine it. Just know it's there. And when standing inside of this beautiful beam that's running from the top of your head out your feet, look up and notice it goes into infinity. And look down and notice it moves into infinity. It's just a solid, beautiful beam that can move us where we need to go, nourish us, and help us. While we are standing in the middle of this beam, let's just, for a moment, feel the love, the vibration of love, and absolute peace, absolute acceptance that is in this beautiful energy for us. And let's take a moment and just let it absorb into our physical body. Now, still standing inside of this beam, look up and start to lift up. And we're going to lift straight up like we're in a tube of light out of our body and straight up. And as we rise, we say, move with me, Spirit, as we meet thy Maker. And we're going to take this beam and just keep going up and notice that you are out of your body, out of your house, up into the sky, out of the atmosphere, into space, moving rapidly. You just stop. We are somewhere in the center of the universe. It is perfectly quiet. Just feel what the energy feels like around the outside of this beam while staying inside because you are fully protected. You can feel the quiet, the peace. Now we're going to allow the energy that's going through us, holding us here in this beam, to also move out our chest, move out our heart chakra into this middle of the universe. And we're going to spin in circles, spreading this love all around the middle of the universe, allowing the divine love that holds us together always. We are now sharing right at the center of the universe out, spinning and sharing. And now we stop. Now notice the energy. Notice it's like a twinkle. There's a new vibration. It is more vibrant. Now let us travel a little closer to the earth, into our solar system, down to the planet Earth, to just above our country, whatever your country is. Still inside this beautiful being, once again, we share the love that's flowing through us, out our heart chakra, over our country, and we spin. Spinning and spinning, we share this unconditional divine love. And we stop. Now gently feel the energy outside and notice how it's softer, more caring. Now let's bring ourselves down into the tunnel, the beautiful funnel that flows from the divine. We're going to hover just over the city or town we live in. Quickly test what it feels like. Now let us share this divine love. Once again, allowing our heart chakras to open up, pouring love out. We spin around and around, and we stop. And for a moment, let us feel the love we just shared and how it is affecting the energy of the town or city you live in. Now we're going to come closer to just above your home, your apartment, your house, your property. And you're going to share the divine love that's flowing through you on your property, in your home, apartment, ranch, whatever. Allow the energy to flow out of your heart, spinning around and stopping. Notice it might even be different colors and sprinkles. Each one might look different than the last. Now we're going to come to just above our bodies. And we're going to see outside of the beam is a situation that we are struggling with, or a person we are struggling with. We're going to look around and we're going to see that situation all around us. And once again, we're going to share this love into this situation, into this whole situation to heal it. Open our hearts. Allow the divine love to pour into it. And let us swirl around in circles. spinning, sharing this divine love with this situation, and stopping. Now let's just notice what's going on with that situation. Notice if there's a sign or symbol that will help you resolve anything, organize something, fix something. Feel how it's vibrating with love, a much more peaceful way of resolving issues. And as we pull ourselves into our body, we lift up our thoughts and be very grateful for this moment. Pulling ourselves fully in, feeling our toes and our fingers, knowing we are secure in our body, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Please like and share these meditations if you enjoy them. Subscribe on YouTube, and I will see you on Monday. Have a wonderful and blessed weekend. Bye now.